Welcome, in front of me I have Realme GT, and today I'll show you how you can change your notification sound. Open settings, then go for the sound and vibration. Right now you have to change notification sound when you scroll down and click here. So there you got the Realme jingle, simple, crystal, whatever you want. We can also pick our own by going here and then choosing our favorite song and going back. As you can see, it changed. And that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.